So about knife defense, this is actually a rubber knife. We are not using, for the safety purpose, we are not using the real knife. And yes, if you wait for the attacker to attack you, yes, there will be injuries. It doesn't matter if you're a man, if you're a woman, if you're a strong person, if you're a weak person, if you are waiting for the attack, or maybe if you are not aware of the attack, you are reactive, there will be injuries. Maybe if you are proactive, if you see the person coming, maybe you have distance, maybe you can run away. But if you don't have the luxury to create distance, if you don't have the luxury to see, because see, he's walking from that side, I'm walking from this side, and all of a sudden I'm stabbing him. If I have the intentions to kill him or something. Even though he's applying a defense, but 3 to 4 stabs I have already stabbed. If it's a lethal stab, maybe he can lose a lot of blood and he doesn't have much time. Okay? So now various situations. Maybe it's not just stabbing from this position. It could be I'm just holding the knife, maybe I'm asking for something. If I'm asking for something, if I get it, I'll just leave it. Otherwise, I take it. Since he has seen me, I'll just slit his throat and I'll just run away. Or maybe I'm holding like that, I'm holding like that. I have made a video on that also. I'm holding like this, I'm holding like that. Or I'm moving continuously. Maybe I'm hitting with this hand. I'm doing all that. I will put terror in his mind. That is my goal. Because if this person doesn't get scared or intimidated from me, then I will lose. Okay, so I don't want to lose, even I want to survive. So I will put all sorts of terror. I'm hitting, maybe I'll cut his thigh, I'll cut his arm, maybe I'll expose some part so that the blood is coming, so he should get scared. So that is my goal. Understood? So, knife defense. Okay, people say you should always be switched on. So what can you do? Maybe I'm just walking like a injured person or handicapped person. I'm just walking and he's just passing by, and all of a sudden I'm just catching and just pulling him to the corner. Now you should have something to use. Tools. Now you should have tools. अभी आपके पास tools चाहिए. If you don't have tools to defend yourself, if you don't know how to defend yourself, you're dead. Okay, so it could be सामने से also, in front also. If I'm stabbing him, it's not just one. I'm just going 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'm not standing in one place. I'm just moving. I'm just changing angles. I'm doing all that. Right? And if you don't know how to defend yourself, believe me, you cannot survive. You cannot. So in Kala, what we say? First, protect your arteries. If you see the person has a blade, or maybe he's showing you that he has a blade, keep your arteries protected. Tuck your chin. Look at his chest. Maybe he brings out the knife. He's just showing you. He's still not stabbed you. Maybe he's shouting, intimidating you. So you can take preemptive action. It's not that I'm going only for that. He might catch me, he might push me and then stab. So instead of that, so I just hit, I just catch. Basically, see, I'm not going towards this side, Okay, so he's just showing, I'm just hitting a hammer and then I'm hitting. On this side. So maybe he's close now. So I'm hitting a hammer and catching. From there, I can just take him down, but it will be a fight. So this could be one of the preemptive actions. I'm not going towards this side, I'm just going towards this side. Or that I catch and hold this. Because he will try to pull, he will try to resist if he has senses. If I didn't hit him properly. Basically, I'm targeting the temple, the jaw, carotid artery. Right? So I am close, I am waiting for my opportunity. I have practiced this many times. It's not that I am practicing it on him. In the class, in the training, he's holding a focus mitt. I am practicing this. for 5 to 10 times daily. So then only I'll be able to hit the target properly with full intention. If I don't have intention to knock him out, I cannot do this. So I hit and catch. From there I put weight, it's down. So now I can escape. Maybe I can escape. This would be one of the options. Because now I have decided to take the action first. If I wait for his action, yes, go. Step, 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 step. This is what the speed is. Okay? Step, step, step. This is what the speed is. Maybe I secured, maybe he took down the knife, I got cut, maybe he's there, maybe I'm doing all that, but I'm cut. But if I have the preemptive action, maybe I can survive. Okay? Or it could be an ambush attack. So we both are walking and suddenly he attacks. There, I'm protecting and catching, taking down, but I got stabbed. So here basically what I'm doing when he's stabbing, I don't know whether he's stabbing or punching because I will not feel, because there makes no difference whether he's punching or stabbing. Right? So because of tunnel vision, adrenaline rush, and suddenly something is happening to me. So suddenly if he does something like that, my intention is to cover and go inside catch. I don't know whether he's stabbing from left hand, right hand, or if he's stabbing from down, up, I don't know. It could be anything. So the moment he stabs, there I am just catching. I need to be able to secure this arm. Now from here the fight starts. If I just hang on to that, he will try to do all that. But the moment if I start giving and this thing him down, just going like that, and it also depends on the weight. It also depends on the weight. He is how much? 60? 62. If it is 120 kgs guy, if it is 150 kgs guy, even I will struggle. And if it's a female of 40 kg, if he's 60, then that female will struggle. And there will always be struggle. It will not be easy. But the point is, we are learning to avoid also. We are also learning to see from the front, and we are also learning, I don't know from where the attack is coming. We are learning to do that also. I don't know. So for every situation, we are training in Kala. And our goal is to close the distance and hold the hand so that he should not move. The moment I have this control, if he tries to pull, it's a little difficult. I'm just buying time. So when I'm holding this, I'm giving the damage, then I'm catching like that. Because if I'm holding here, he can cut my throat. He can cut my throat. Yes, he can do all that. But if I'm here, I'm a little bit secure. So the moment I'm here, I'm watching if this hand is coming or not. So I'm just giving damage and I'm taking him down. Okay? So for these kinds of situations, we train in Kala. So this is about knife defense. So I will post the pressure testing of this particular trick. God bless Kala system. Up. Come on. Why you're waiting? Next. Come on, next. Come on, he's knocked out. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Come on, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go! Give knees! Hit strike, hit, take the knife, You should take the knife.